In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change citation style in Microsoft Word. First, have your Word document open so you can see the changes as they happen. This is especially helpful if you already have in-text citations or a bibliography inserted, because the update will be visible right away. The process works the same whether you're on a new paper or one that's already filled with sources. Look to the top of your screen and go to the References tab on the ribbon. In the Citations and Bibliography group, which sits near the middle of that tab, you'll find the controls that manage source formatting. If your window is narrow and you don't immediately see it, widen the window or expand the ribbon so the group is visible. Within that group, click the button labeled Style. It opens a drop-down list of available citation formats. This setting tells Word how to display author names, dates, titles, punctuation, and ordering for both your in-text citations and your bibliography or works cited list. From the list, choose the style required for your class, journal, or organization. Common choices include APA, MLA, and Chicago. Pick the specific one you need. The choice you make here establishes the rules. Word will follow across the entire document. As soon as you select a style, Word automatically updates every in-text citation and your bibliography to match. There's nothing else you have to do. You may see author date formats switch to numbered references, italics and capitalization adjust, or the order of elements change to meet the style's standards. If anything doesn't change, it usually means that particular text isn't linked to Word's citation tools and was typed manually. A couple of quick tips for clarity. The style you select affects both existing citations and any you add later, so your formatting stays consistent as you continue writing. Also, avoid manually editing the punctuation inside citations or the bibliography. If you do, those manual tweaks can be overwritten the next time the style updates. If your institution specifies a particular edition of a style, double-check that the correct version is selected in the list. That's all there is to it. Open your document, go to References, click Style, select the citation style you need, and let Word handle the formatting automatically. With this set, you can focus on your writing, confident that your citations and bibliography follow the correct guidelines.